Yeah, and it was a pretty emotional press conference here inside Feiger Law Firm as Jonathan Marko described details of a night he says still haunts him.
I don't think no human being deserved to get treated like they did.
It's been a long 9 months for Jonathan Marko. He can't stop thinking about the January night at MGM Grand Casino that started with a celebration for his wife's aunt's birthday and ended with him being beaten in the casino waiting area by 2 Detroit police officers.
You know, that last push, I turned around and I guess said something to the officer. I don't remember what I said. Like, you know, why you doing me like that? And that's when the other officer grabbed me, choked me out, and that's all I remember.
His attorney, Jonathan Marko of Feiger Law Firm, calls the beating savage, similar to that of Rodney King.
I really wish we could show you guys the video because it's worth 1,000 words. Once I saw the video, I was shocked. And I couldn't sleep last night. And the first thing I did this morning, I ran to my office as soon as the courts opened and filed the complaint because that was how bad the video is.
At a press conference at DPD headquarters about a drug bust, Chief Ralph Godby took some time to respond about Moncrief's beating and this July beating when a man was accused of inappropriately touching a waitress.
The opportunity for someone to file a lawsuit, that is their right to civil redress if and they feel that the force was not appropriate. Approximately 4.5% to 5% of the time, there is going to be some level of force used to effectuate an arrest or in some type of encounter.
Moncrief says his wife had just rented a $350 a night suite at MGM when he says he was ordered to keep it down and go outside just before the beating. When he came to, Moncrief says he was in a jail cell with a busted eye and multiple broken ribs.
Hopefully send a message to the Detroit police that this kind of behavior is unacceptable. This is 2 times in 1 week that it's come to light that there's been similar assaults at MGM. And really to Dwan, it doesn't matter if it's at MGM or if it's anywhere in the city. It just has to stop. This is unacceptable.
And Dwan says he stayed in that jail cell 3 days only to come out and have the charges dismissed. He did have to pay some outstanding parking tickets that he says he had warrants for, but other than that, those charges were let go. So this lawsuit is moving forward. We'll keep tabs on it. Live in Southfield, I'm Glenda Lewis. Back to you.